Hello everyone and welcome to my hair care routine. First thing I'm going to do in this routine is actually a hair assessment, and this is just going to tell you exactly how you need to start this routine today. As you can see, I am just inspecting my scalp just to check how much buildup I have, if I have any dryness, flaking on my scalp most importantly. So based on the amount of buildup on my scalp from my 1 month sewing, I decided to use an apple cider vinegar mixture to cleanse my scalp first. So we're going to be using 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts water. And guys, this is honestly like the best thing to remove any buildup from your hair without having to basically work too hard. It's easy to apply, so once I just use a bottle with a spout, and then you just literally go in all over your scalp. It will run down, and please be careful not to get in your eyes because it burns like hell. But I just apply it all over my scalp, make sure that the scalp is fully saturated. You don't need to put it on your hair because obviously we are targeting cleaning and cleansing our scalp without using anything too rough to break the skin on our scalps as well. And this will literally do the trick. I leave it on for about 15 minutes to half an hour, and then I literally grab my handy dandy scalp massager. Guys, this thing is honestly like the best thing ever invented because this saves you so much time on wash day. Like, this literally cut my wash day down in half. So I massage it all over my scalp, and I go in circular motions and also up and down motions just to make sure that I cover all parts of my scalp while actually giving my scalp a massage as well and opening the follicles. So it's actually like quite a win-win situation because as we know, scalp stimulation equals hair growth. It's like giving yourself a little pamper treatment while actually still cleansing your scalp. So it's perfect. I try to massage my entire scalp for about 10 minutes, and I just make sure that I cover all of my scalp, concentrating on like my hairline where I get the most buildup, and also like in the center of my scalp where my hair tends to sweat a little bit more, or where the hair is a lot thicker in there so it's not as breathable as other parts of my hair. So while that's sitting in my hair, I actually decided to do a deep conditioning treatment today, but I wanted something that was perfect for protein and moisture based on how my hair was feeling, and also because I had it tied up for the last 3 weeks to 1 month as well. So I decided to do my coconut milk deep conditioner, and this just gives me moisture and protein all in one, and it's the best thing. What I do find about the consistency of this deep conditioner is very watery in comparison to more creamier sort of texture for a typical deep conditioner. Despite the fact that it's watery, it is so moisturizing and it is so strengthening for your hair, and you can feel it on your hair from the time you apply it. I absolutely love this product. It's one of the best deep conditioners and easiest to make. It's like my go-to when it comes to something quick, fast, but very effective as well. Okay, so now it's time to hop in the shower and we're gonna wash this hair, guys. So we're starting out by just rinsing out all of that apple cider vinegar out of our scalp, and then I'm gonna go in today with my Cherissesonita Professionals Botanique Curl Hydration Shampoo, and this is the shea butter and hibiscus oil one. I absolutely love this. It doesn't leave your hair feeling too stripped or too dry. Sometimes I would tend to use a clarifying shampoo for my scalp, but because I used apple cider vinegar, that's half the job done, so I don't really need to go in with a second layer of clarifying products today. So I just apply this all over my scalp. I try to make sure that I get every little bit of my scalp, and then once again we're gonna go in with our scalp massager again, and again we go in with circular motions and up and down motions as well all over the scalp. Make sure to cover everywhere, make sure to concentrate on the areas that are a little bit harder. And what this is gonna do, actually, because the apple cider vinegar would have already done half the work for you, so what this is gonna do is just make sure that you lift everything off the scalp. Literally gonna wash out your hair, and your scalp is gonna be super clean. I do this twice, so I wash my hair the first time, rinse it out, and then I will do it again because I always make sure that I double cleanse my hair and my scalp. that's finished, guys, then we are going to hop on with our deep conditioner step. So I'm going in with my little coconut milk solution, and I just make sure to apply this from roots to tip. And while I'm doing this, guys, I try to finger detangle a little bit as well. But today I'm going to be using my detangler brush from Aussie Haircare. Absolutely love this thing. It literally saves you so much time in the shower, and it gets it tangled out so easy. Once I have already like finger detangled, that's half the work done, and then I just go in with this brush and I'm literally out of the shower. This wash day takes me an hour, like tops, and I just twist it all up when I'm finished each section and move on to the next section until I've finished my entire head. And typically I would leave this in for again another half an hour or so, or 45 minutes. If you want, you can also get a heat cap and you can put it on top after you've already applied it to your hair. That will honestly just like level up this entire treatment to a whole new level, whole new spectrum. I'm not going to use a heat cap today because I was feeling super lazy, but yeah, I just left it in for about 45 minutes, half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I washed it out completely out of my hair. And yeah, this is the finished product. This is how my hair is looking. I put a microfiber towel on, and yeah, this is how my hair is typically looking. It's very clean. My scalp is super clean after having that sew-in because my hair had so much buildup in it. But guys, my hair is so soft. You probably can't tell from looking at it, but my hair is so soft. And because I added shea butter to the mixture, it leaves your hair feeling like super sealed in. The hydration level on this is just completely like top tier. So after this, I just go in with a really light leave-in conditioner. So today I'm using Melanin Haircare's leave-in conditioner. Absolutely love this. I love the subtle spearmint smell of this product as well. And I just apply the product from, again, roots to tip. I don't need to detangle because it's already detangled. And I just braid each section. And I do this all over my head until I've completed all the plaits and moisturized all the plaits. And once I'm done this, I go in with my oil mixture. This is my fenugreek oil mixture. If you haven't checked this out before, I'll leave a recipe card just here for you guys to click it and check it out. It is the most beautiful oil. I absolutely love it. You can apply it to your scalp, or you can apply it to your hair to seal in, just to make sure that I'm sealing all that moisture because we don't want to lose it. And yeah, guys, this is my hair. Like, my hair feels so clean, most importantly, but so moisturized, so hydrated, and just so revived after having a protective style for such a long time. And thank you guys for sticking around. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and you can like the video if you liked it and leave me a lovely comment as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.